How are you? Hope you all are healthy and fit at your place. So today we are here with a new video of Computer Fundamental. The title of our today's computer video is Digital Technology and Medias. So here in this unit we will learn about some different technologies of that we will use in digital technology like digital camera, digital recording, audio converting and types of audios. So for further detailed knowledge about the topic and content, we will move to our slideshow screen.
Students, here in this video, we will learn about the term digital technologies and the media devices. So, here first we will know that where the word digital comes. The word digital comes from the Latin digitus, finger, and refers to one of the oldest tools for counting. When information is stored, transmitted, or forwarded in digital format. The branch of scientific or the engineering knowledge that deals with the creation and the practical use of digital or computerized device method system etc. We know that we live in a digital age today. So digital technologies become a most important part of our daily life and have transformed how people communicate, learn and work together. So the first thing is, what is a digital technology or what are these digital technology? Digital technologies are the electronic tools, systems, devices, and the resources that generate, store, or process the data. Well known examples include social medias, online games, multimedia, and mobile phones. Digital learning is any type of learning that uses the technology. So, it can happen across the curriculum learning areas. Basically, digital technology seems to have a magical effect on our daily life. It is a branch of science and engineering which deals with the creation of computerized or the digital devices, systems, and method. Basically, this technology uses the electronic tool system, computerized systems, and the devices. The word digital originated from the fact that these computerized devices work on the binary digits 0 and 1. The family of digital devices consists of the computers, cameras, media players, video recorders, etc. So here the first device is digital cameras that plays a vital role in digital technology. So digital camera. A digital camera is a hardware device that takes photographs and stores the images as data on a memory card. Just like this is the example of a digital camera. Unlike an analog camera, which exposes film chemicals to light, a digital camera uses the digital optical components to register the intensity and the color of light and converts it into the pixel data form. A digital data or a digital camera may be considered both an input and the output devices, as it can both take pictures input and send them to your computer is output. A digital camera is a device that stores and records the photographic image in a digital form. Unlike the traditional cameras like analog one which stores the image on film, digital cameras store images on a memory devices like the hard disk or a flash memory cards of the device. Actual image captured is done with the use of an electronic photo sensor. The next is digital video camera, DVC. Digital video camera or DVCAM is an electronic device that captures the motion picture in comparison to that previous one that is used to capture the images, whereas it captures the motion images from live environment and coding it into data that can be decoded or transcoded into the electronic visual media. A typical camera, digital camera, consists of a lens, image sensor, storage media, and a number of other features that can also be found on other cameras, such as scalable aperture, filters, and the flash. A digital camera or a digital video camera, cam recorder, or video cam recorder is able to record a video in solid state flash memory, hard disk, or CD or DVDs. Webcam is a very popular example of the digital video camera. By using these devices, we can also record the audio. Still pictures can also be clicked. And motion pictures is the best feature of the digital video camera. Now, most video camera available on the consumer market are digital video cameras because it can perform the actions of both that the digital cameras and the digital video cameras. The digital format allows for easy editing and sharing of video. This is the example of Panasonic Full HD digital video camera. The next is PDA. The full form of PDA is Personal Digital Assistant. Short for Personal Digital Assistant. PDA is a computer that fits in the palm of your hand to help collect such information as contacts, appointments, files, and the programs. Personal Digital Assistant is a term for small mobile handheld devices that provides the computing and information storage and retrieval capabilities for the personal or the business use, often for keeping schedules, calendars, and address book information handy. Popular in 1990s and early 2000s, personal digital assistants that PDA were the precursors to the smartphones. Most PDA has a small physical keyboard and some had an electronic sensitive pad on which handwriting could be received were written for PDA. This is the example of the PDA. Tablet is also a good example of PDA. It is a handheld device that combines the internet, fix, sender, personal organizer, web browser, and a cell phone. It can be connected to a computer for transmitting the information. Email messaging, playing multimedia games, files, audio, video is possible on the PDA. A mobile phone with PDA function is known as a smartphone. The next is gaming system. Gaming or the game console today, like an Xbox, Nintendo Wii, or the Sony PlayStation, are the basically computers. They are basically like computers. They contains a hard drive just like a computer, and they operate using an operating system just like a computer. Since they are basically computers, they store information in a similar fashion. The different type of gaming platforms are Sony PlayStation, Nintendo Arcade, Xbox 360, 4 GB, 60 GB, 120 GB, up to 250 GB, Xbox on Xbox One 500 GB, Xbox 360E. Nowadays, for playing video games, we have specialized gaming consoles. These systems have hard disk motherboards and also support online gaming. CD DVDs containing the gaming software are inserted inside the drive to run the games. Xbox can also be used as an audio video player. Video game console requires the monitor or TV for the play. Like this, our traditional play games are the example of the gaming system. The next is audio and video player. Media player is a type of application software for playing multimedia computers file like audio and video files. Media players commonly displayed standard media control icons known from physical devices such as tape recorders, CD players. These play, pause, fast forward, backward, and stop buttons. Means basically audio and video player are a multimedia computer files like which record or which can extract the audio and video files. Like it also has a buttons like play, pause, fast forward, back forward, and stop buttons. A video player is a kind of media player for playing back digital video data from media such as optical discs as well as from file appropriate formats such as MPEG, Motion Photographic Export Group, AVI, Real Video, and QuickTime. Many of the video players also support the simple playback of digital audio and 3D of 2D video. CD players, DVD players, MP3, MP4 audio players are the common audio and video players. MP3 player only plays audio files, whereas the MP4 and CD DVD player play both the audio and video files. The size of MP3 and MP4 audio format file is small. Like VLC is the best example of audio and video player. Windows Media Player is another example of media player. The next is mobile phone. We all are very much aware with this thing because we all are working today by using the mobile phone. A mobile phone is a wireless handheld device, or it is also called the cellular phone, cell phone, hand phone, or the hand phone, sometimes shortened to simply mobile, cell, or just a phone. Is a portable telephone that can make and receives the call over a radio frequency link while the user is moving within a telephone service area. Cell phones have become a necessity for many people throughout the world. Cell phones are the perfect way to stay connected with others and provide the user with a sense of security. So here today number of smartphones which has all the features audio, video, image capturing, message sending, online chatting at all are called the smartphones. Email messaging, playing games, playing audio video files, connecting to the social media platform, capturing the pictures, watching live TV streaming are also possible using the latest mobile phones. The next thing is digital audio technology. Digital audio is a technology that is used to record, store, manipulate, generate, and reproduce the sound using the audio signals that have been encoded in the digital form. Basically, it is used to record the sound. We can also perform the operations like we can manipulate, we can reproduce, we can perform some other actions on that sound quality. It also refers the sequence of discrete samples that are taken from an analog audio waveform. Basically, sound produced naturally is in the form of continuous wave. The sound that naturally produced it is in the continuous form, means there is no breakage in that sound. This is known as analog sound. When sound was first recorded, it was played on device called the turntable using the LP long playing records. These records stored audio in analog format. Computers are purely digital device and cannot process the analog sound, so they can only process and play the digital audio. Therefore, sound has to be digitized. This is the main reason. That is, it converted from analog to digital form so that it can be played on a computers and digital audio devices. So, the some audio formats fall in three major categories. Number one, the uncompressed audio formats. Second is lossy compressed formats. Third is lossless compressed format. So first is uncompressed audio. Uncompressed audio is audio without any compression applied to it. This includes audio recorded in PCM and waveform. Some of the examples are PCM and LPCM, WAV and AIFF. The full form of PCM is pulse code modulator or the linear pulse code modulated waveform audio format file. AIFF audio interchange file format. Basically, these are the actual sound waves which has been converted into the digital formats without further processing. The next is lossy compressed audio format. The word lossy or in the is used in the digital format to describe a type of compression used to store the sound data. This is a great option for streaming or any online service in which speed of service is more important than the quality of audio. It loses data during the compression process. It sacrifices quality and fidelity to reduce the file size. However, the loss of data during the compression cannot be identified by the human error. The examples are MP3, MPEG, Motion Photographic Export Group, AAC, Advanced Audio Coding, WMA, Windows Media Audio. The next is lossless compressed audio format. This is a great option for streaming or any online service in which speed of service is more important than the quality of the audio. It's royalty free and is considered the preferred format for downloading and storing high resolution albums. The downside is it's not supported by the Apple phone. So not compatible with the Apple Music. Lossless compression is a method that reduces the file size without any loss. But in that lossy compress, the file size is also reduced and it loses its quality. However, they are not as efficient as the lossy compression. Some of the examples are FLAC, ALAC, and WMA. FLAC means free lossless audio codec, Apple lossless audio codec, and WMA lossless. It's video media app audio. The next thing is speech technology. It is most popular nowadays. Speech technology is a type of computing technology that enables an electronic device to recognize, analyze, and understand the spoken words or audio. This is typically done by inputting the digital sound signals and matching its patterns against a library or the store patterns. Means the data is already stored in the library when a human or any machine can spoken words in the form of audio, then it can be recognized by that speech recognition technology. With the progression of artificial intelligence solution for enterprises, speech technology has many applications in all the sectors like in the law, healthcare, security, finance, enterprises, and for the personal use. In today's digital age, human to computer interaction using just speech is possible due to the audio technology, digital audio technology. It improves the productivity and enables the differently abled people to effectively work with the computers. The next is digital photography. The digital photography is defined as a form of photography that uses the electronic photo detectors to form an image. The images are stored digitally as computer files ready for the digital processing. The most significant difference between the digital photography and the traditional photography is the use of electronics to capture and store the image rather than the films. Initially, video were recorded in an analog form. In normal photography, a chemical process is used to expose and capture the images. The camera lens and body allows to control amount of light to come in contact with the film. But with the digital photography, the film is replaced with a light sensitive electronic device known as image sensors. These sensors are made up of millions of photoelectric devices which convert light into an electrical signal. The two most common type of image sensors used in digital cameras are CCD, charge coupled device, and CMOS, complementary metal oxide semiconductor. The next is digital printing. Digital printing is the process of making prints from an electronic file. That artwork or that electronic file created on a computer and directly printed onto the material. In fact, the digital printing is an alternative to the traditional printing methods such as flexography, lithography, offset printing, letterpress, gravure, and others. The process of eliminates most of the steps that are needed for the traditional printing methods such as the color proofs, making films, making printing plates, and stripping the pieces together manually. Means digital printing is the process of converting a document on a personal computer or the other digital disk that accepts the displaced text and graphic output. We can use like personal printers like colored inkjet printer for printing these also. The next is photo editing. Some simple photo editor softwares like window photo gallery which can be used to adjust the colors, and some of the expensive or the advanced like Photoshop is there. Background can be changed, text effect can also be added on the pictures. So this is the photo editing. The meaning of photo editing is the act of altering the image. Simply put, but that's oversimplifying a subject which quite complex. For example, some photo editing techniques are done manually while others are conducted through the automated softwares. Some photo editing is even done offline on actual photographs, posters, or the other printed collections. Like here you have seen the example of the image editing. This image is being edited in this.
Students, that's all about today's information. If you have any doubt, any query related to the video and related to the content, then you can call me, you can WhatsApp me, you can drop a message. One more thing that you have to keep in your mind, you have to complete your work on time and you have to forward it to me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay fit, stay safe at your place. Don't go outside, it's Corona. Thank you.